Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today we are in Fulfill Engine discussing how to send gift cards to customers. So, from the Webstore dashboard, go ahead and click Tasks, go to Edit Store Features, and turn on Allow Gifts. Okay, now we're going to click into the Gifts tab that just populated, and from here we could go ahead and create a gift. Up here, you get the option to either send a specific item or cash balance. So, we're just going to send the cash balance. Go ahead and plug in the amount, and then the end user's email address, the end user's name, as well as the expiration date if you choose to have one. And so if we were to go ahead and click save, you would see it populate down here. This is the redemption token that you could use at the checkout screen unless you send the end user their email directly. And in that case, if they click on the link, it will automatically apply that coupon code. And so basically, once the coupon code generates, click on this checkbox and go ahead and click Send Email. And from here, you'll be able to punch in a personalized message from the customer to the end user. At that point, go ahead and click Send Email, and it will confirm that it's been sent by time stamping it over here. You can also let's see here. This one's active. You could also revoke the card from here or adjust the balance. And yeah, so that's gift cards in Fulfill Engine. Thanks for watching.